slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're with my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you are behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last. Yeah.
Come on, Luna. Help and dig out the system.
Luna, come on. Luna, come on.
Help and dig it.
What's going on here, Luna?
Luna is helping me dig.
Get that out, Luna.
Dig out the soil
Can you dig
system.
that out for us, Luna?
Because we got tree roots in a sewer
She
system.
wants to put the lid back on.
Now Luna's going to help me dig
Try
it
to
out.
lift it.
Come on, Luna. You dig it out for me. Off you go, girl. Yes. Come on. Help me dig it out. The sewer system.
You scuff around a bit in there, surely.
Off you go.
You're trying to lift it, are you?
Yes.
Oh, smart girl. What's in there, Luna? What is it? Oh my God, what is it? Oh, it's very interesting. What is it, Luna?
She's going to dig it out for me.
Luna, can you dig that for us? Thank
Yes.
you. Thanks, Luna.
She's a jack of all trades, aren't you, Luna?
Dig it
Off
up
you
for
go.
us, Luna.
Have a look what's in there.
We need that dug up.
She'll do it tonight.
Mm-hmm. funny little thing.
Off you go, Luna. I'll give you a little shovel. You dig it out, all the dirt. Yes. Luna, they tried to go. She does all. She don't dig it all with her own paws. She says she doesn't need a shovel. She loves digging, don't you, Luna? Looking for defects.
And proper boxes.
Very cool, Luna.
How many of the boxes are in there, Luna? Who needs a plumber when you've got Luna?
Luna the plumber. She want to fix it all, she said.
Oh, girl.
Did you find out what's wrong, Luna? With the system?
Ooh.
She's in a minute. She had to sniff at it.
All right, cutie. Yeah, that's it.
She says she got it now.